Good morning, good afternoon. Oyimore, oyaore, arwaki embui mar Luo English Dictionary. Welcome to Luo English Dictionary, and today is day number 75 of the 5 Luo words a day. So we are just starting in a minute. Day number 75 of the 5 Luo words a day. We shall be talking about the following words. The words are Athambo, Atero, Athing, Athing. So Athing and Athing is the same thing. Then there is Athongo, and Athongo is 2 times. So there is Athambo, Atero, Athing, or Athing, Athongo, and Athongo. Welcome, and I hope that you're having a great day wherever you are, or you had a great day if you're joining us from East Africa. I hope that you had a great day and now you're ready for your 5 Luo words a day. So pretty fast we shall move on. And remember, the way this works is that I give you 5 words, I give you their meanings and a sentence on each and every word. If you've not been following this session, just get to our YouTube channel, and on our YouTube channel you'll be able to see there's a playlist of the 5 Luo words a day. It starts from day number 1 and moves all the way to day number 75. So the first word of the day is Athambo. Athambo. So Athambo is, you see the way this goat is. When this goat has a dark colored face, but it is a white, it has a white head with a dark, and it is dark colored. You see, like some parts of the face are dark colored and its face is white. It doesn't like really have a white color. So this is what we call Athambo. Athambo. Okay? In a sentence, we can say, Ne onyuome gidiel mar Athambo. Ne onyuome gidiel mar Athambo. So it's not just in goats. It can also be in sheep. It can be in domestic animals. So ne onyuome gidiel mar Athambo. She was married off with a goat that has these characteristics. Then number 2 is Atero. Atero. Atero has 2 meanings. So there is an arrow like this one here. This is an Atero. Or also there is a small knife, this one here, of which if you have a small knife, the plural is Aterni. Aterni. So Atero becomes Aterni. And in a sentence you can say, Ja sigune ne ochwoyo tiende kod Atero. Ja sigune ochwoyo tiende kod Atero. So the enemy used a spear or an arrow to do some harm to him on the foot. So that ja sigune no ne ochwoyo tiende kod Atero. Then number 3, the third word is a thing or a thing. A thing or a thing. It is an adjective and it means spotted black and white. Oduongo a thing. So, or okieo a thing. That means black and white. Like this is a guinea fowl feather. You can say in a sentence that Yier mar awendo okieo a thing. Yier mar awendo okieo a thing. Yier mar awendo okieo a thing. And that means the guinea fowl feather is spotted black and white. And the fourth word is, for today's word, is Athongo. Athongo. Athongo, first of all, is as you'll see in the next slide. Athongo is used for describing a rabid dog or a dog that is a wanderer, like it doesn't stay at home. So guog athongo might be a dog that is really wandering around and never stays home, especially for the Luo tradition, when we never used to tie the dogs as such. All we need to do is just release them in the morning. Then they would just, some dogs would just stay in the homestead, but some would just get lost and come back when it's meal time. So wanderer is guog athongo. Or there's a disease that attacks the potatoes. So it's a worm that affects the sweet potatoes. So you can say in a sentence that Rabuon oyudo tuo mar athongo. Rabuon oyudo tuo mar athongo. So the sweet potatoes are infected by a wormy disease, or a disease that has some worms. Then the last word for the day is athongo. Now this athongo comes from, you see, when we say the dog is a wanderer, now the word athongo also comes from a loose person or a prostitute. You can say obayo ka athongo. So he wanders around like a loose, like a prostitute. So this is a bad word because it can be used for, like, to, how do you say it? To I don't know the English word, but you can talk about it as someone who is loose or someone who is not straightforward with their relationship. That is called athongo. And this is the end of the 5 Luo words.